So yeah, we're about to go hear a great success story.
I'm Carlos.
You're Carlos. We heard you got a great success story to tell us.
Yeah.
Let's talk about it.
I struggled with Xanax and cocaine addiction since I was 18 years old for 7 years.
Wow.
I was on Broadway for a year. I love to sing, dance, and act. It's a passion of mine. I lost it all once I got with the wrong crowd. The relationship with my mother and I was diminished for some time, but through the grace of God, I found this program early March of this year, 2018. I've been here for 9 months. I've gained 51 pounds.
Congratulations.
Through the grace of God, I mean, I struggle with my faith, but Jesus is real, man. And
Yeah, that's amazing.
He's been
That's amazing.
real good to me. So I appreciate you guys hearing me out. This program is totally free. It's Project Hope. And the whole year you're there, the counseling, the bed, the food, it's all provided for. We get to fundraise on the weekend and see you guys. It's an encouragement for us. We come from the streets. We have guys that come in the program with nothing, absolutely nothing, and they give them clothes, I mean, it's unconditional love, truly, and it trickles down.
Good job. Good job.
Resource. It's a free. All you do is call the number. We'll give you an interview on the phone. As long as they don't have a child abuse or child molestation record, you're in to come. I mean, we've had a guy there that's committed a murder before, covered in tattoos from head to toe. He's in the Bible deep, sharing that love.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
That's the most important part right here. It's changed my life.
So anybody looking, Project Hope has changed this guy's life. Beautiful story. Beautiful story.
Thanks, man. It's not easy, but I got a good family. I was blessed, man. And you guys, this is so cool. This is encouraging for me.
Thank you. Thank you. We appreciate you. Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you. Bless you.
Nice to meet you.
Keep up the good work.
No, thank you.
We sure will.
We're here all weekend. God bless you too. Amen.
God bless you.
Much love.
Y'all, Project Hope. Project Hope.
Project Hope, ladies and gentlemen, rescuing lives from addiction, giving hope to those in crisis. Check them out. Project Hope. He had an amazing story. Great testimony.